Hello. We are Team Zamset. And today we are gonna learn about pi.
What exactly is pi?
Pi, often represented by the lowercase Greek letter pi, one of the most well-known mathematical constants, is the ratio of a circle's circumference to its diameter. For any circle, the distance around the edge is a little more than 3 times the distance across.
What does that mean?
Where there is circle, there is pi. This is a circle. The black edge, surrounding the circle, is its circumference. The yellow line, dividing the circle into half, is its diameter. For any given circle, be it big or small, the circumference of that circle is always a little more than 3 times its diameter. This number 3 and a little more to it, which is estimated as 0.14159 and so on, is literally the same for any type of circle. Hence, this consistency between the ratio of a circle's circumference to its diameter brings pi into the game. The number pi has the same relationship to a circle as the number 4 does to a square. Just as if you were to divide the perimeter of a square by its width, you will always get the number 4. Dividing the circumference of a circle by its diameter, you will always get the number pi. This relationship can be used to determine other properties of the square or circle, such as the area. Typing pi into a calculator will yield the result 3.14159265, not because this value is exact, but because a calculator's display is often limited to 10 digits. But in reality, pi is proved to be an irrational number, that is a decimal with no end and no repeating pattern.
For this experiment, we will be needing needles, but since we don't have them, we will be using cotton buds.
And a few more cotton buds.
We will also need a large sheet of paper, but in our experiment, to make it accurate, we are using a tabletop.
We will also need a scale and some pens.
Now you need to draw lines across the table. These lines must be parallel and the distance between each two must be equal to 2 times the length of a cotton bud.
This is how our Buffons needle experiment setup looks like.
Now we need to drop the earbuds randomly. Now let's separate the ones crossing the line. This is the result of our first try.
This is the result of all our 3 trials. From this experiment, we get the approximate value of pi by dividing the total number of buds by the total number of buds that cross the line. So this is our approximate value of pi, which is 3.15 and is also very close to 3.14.